Hello guys, how are you? It's Goli. Welcome to another session, web hacking challenges. So today we want to solve Natas 8. We already solved the Natas 7, and so today we want to continue. Okay, let's see here. So with the input secret, probably it is, so we should write a password, and then it will show us Natas 9. So for the test 1, 2, 3, and yes, yeah, and yeah, let's see view source. Okay, so here we have nothing to do, and here there is the encode function, and there's a form here. Okay, this form, yeah, this form is related to this. So this field, the submit button, and yeah, this is the password, and yes, see here. So we should input a secret, and after some probably deploying function on that by the server on the string which we are enter, so it will be like this, and it should be like this, and then we can I think find the password, and here find the encode secret. The secret is the a string which we will enter. Here it's written, we have one function string. Okay, this is our string, and then base 64 encode on our function, on our string, and then strref, so basically I think string reverse, and bin to hex, and then return something. Okay, so and then it will be something like this, and here it's written if if the array key exists, so it means if the user press submit button, if encoded secret post secret equals to encoded secret, it means if the secret which user interns is equal to this, show print access granted. Here, see here, this is the string which the user will enter, and then this function is this, and at the end, if the answer of this will be equal to this, which is this, so please print access granted, otherwise it's wrong. So it's PHP. Here, let me open my command line on Linux. So here, the good thing about PHP is that when we write PHP-A, the command line will be PHP. And now here we can write something in PHP, and see, we can run this. So let's say echo Goli. You can see here it works. I'm not a PHP developer, but I just know the basics. And let's see what can we do here. Okay, we have this. We'll copy this, and maybe it's not a bad idea if I put them like this. Maybe how can I make it zoom in? Okay. Okay, now I think it's visible. It's better to see, easier to see. And here, yeah, now we can see. So we will put this string in this function, but from end to the beginning, because the normal form, the usual form is from here, and first base 64, then string reverse, and then bin to hex will be like this. So now we will do a reverse engineering. We start from this, with this function and then this function and this function. Okay, let's start. Control C, uh, echo. So here, see, it's bean to hex. So we should do hex to bean because we are going that way in the reverse. So we should go from the end to the beginning. So we will do it for hex to bean. Hex to bean, then this function. So if you want to control copy and paste something in command line, so you use Control Shift C and Control Shift V instead of just Control V and Control C. Okay, and then semicolon. Okay, we have something here, and then now I will copy this. I will put it here in this str reverse. Str reverse. And add and semicolon. Oh, I forgot to write echo. Yes, and now, yes, we can see this is the reverse form of this. And at the end, we will put it in base 64 decode because here we encoded it. Actually, the server encoded it, and now we will decode it. And let's say base 64 decode. And what happened? Sorry. Echo base 64 decode. And then we will put this. I hope it works. Ah, semicolon. PHP. No. Yes. At the beginning, it didn't accept. It said syntax error, unexpected echo, something, blah blah blah. And then I run it again. We found something. Let's hope it's what we want. Let's hope. I hope it will be. Submit query. Yes, it is. Yes. So see, we cracked the password. We cracked the password, and I hope we should go to Natas 9 now. Natas 9. Natas 9. Yes, it works. And now let's check what the problem was. We can just a little bit talk about it. So never, never, never do that. Okay, you have to use hash. Okay, if it was checking the hash, I couldn't do that. But now because it's just based on some functions, and then we put this string in the reverse side and the reverse way, so it we could do it easily. So when you are programming, when you are checking a password, never ever check the clear text. Always you have to work with the hash. So it was for the today, and I hope you enjoy, and see you later.